Hey everyone, welcome back Big Team Tuts channel. In today's video we are looking at another Windows 11 Insiders preview. Microsoft is now rolling out Windows 11 build 22458,100 for compatible devices enrolled into the dev channel of the Microsoft Windows 11 Insider program. This release represents the third preview from the active development branch, and it's a small update with minor visual changes, and a slew and lots of fixes. Microsoft is also updating the Tips app with a new interface that matches the design language for Windows 11 with rounded corners and acrylic material. Furthermore, the app now includes more than 100 tips to help users get started with the new OS. The tips will appear throughout the experience. And the company even created a tips widget for the widgets experience. Cortana now has an updated chat-based user interface where you can type or click on the microphone button to speak request in natural language. To secure AC your Microsoft 365 data, you must now be logged in before using Cortana. In the coming month, with regular app update through the Microsoft Store, Microsoft also promised to enhance the experience of Cortana to offer more productivity capabilities such as surfacing relevant emails and documents to help you prepare for meetings. As part of the fixes, this flight addresses reliability problems with the Start menu. Windows 11 will now index folders with the hash number sign as part of the name as part of the search experience. In the Settings app, Build 22458.100 fixes crashes issues with the display page. Clicking more about refresh rate in advanced display settings now opens the support page. It also fixes problems with the location page. Now the preferences under Manage App Execution alias will be preserved, and more. In addition, Windows 11 Build 2248100 also fixes the problem with text truncation in the encrypting file system. Uninstalled Inbox app will reappear after reboot, and the Apex commandlets should now work with PowerShell. This release also includes several known issues with the Start menu, Taskbar, Search, File Explorer, Widgets, and Windows Sandbox. That's it for now. See you on my next video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.